Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to remove the door handles from this Ford Focus ST from 2012. To remove the door handle you'll just need a Torx T20 and a flathead screwdriver with a small head. You will have here on the interior a plastic cover. Take this cover out. Unscrew it completely. It will not fall down into the door, it will stay there. Now you need to take the cylinder lock out. Simple as that. Slide it towards the right a little bit and after that pull towards you. This one have this touch sensor. Unscrew it completely. Slide the door handle towards the right. The front one came out right away. Put a small head flathead screwdriver there, push a little bit and pull in the same time. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time with more removal videos. Bye bye.